This episode is brought to you by Paras Catering and Events. Check out their FB page and see all the excellent customer feedback on their food, service, and elegant styling. You may reach them at 0917-844-4470 and look for Miss Jubian Paras. What's up mga Ka-Life Fit? This is Denmark and welcome to my channel. We are here, out of town, here in Pasig City for the 2022 MC Fit Classic, spearheaded by Coach Mel Cantos. Tara! The MC Fit Classic 2022 is actually a very historic bodybuilding competition, a first here in the Philippines kasi it has been spearheaded by a Facebook group. Normally kapag mga ganyang competitions usually spearheaded by by bodybuilding associations. So I think this is the first time na nangyari to. I think if you even compare it first time din to sa buong mundo na ang isang Facebook group ay nakapagsagawa ng isang bodybuilding competition. So it's very historic, and I think a lot of competitors, both beginners and yung mga experience na have been drawn into this competition. They would like to be on stage and have a chance to be exposed to an international scene, and I think yun yung binabanner ni na Coach Mel Cantos, and that is his main goal for coming up with this bodybuilding competition here in the Philippines. Ito nga po mga Ka-Life Fit, nag-interview tayo ng mga athletes dito sa MC Fit Classic. Nakakatuwa kasi we could see that from all age groups, both men and women, nandito para compete and be seen on stage, and it's very it's a very inspiring situation kasi nga they're given this platform to show their hard work and their months and months of training. So, pakinggan natin kung ano yung mga masasabi nila, bakit sila sumali dito sa MC Fit Classic.
Sumali ako dito sa MC Fit Classic. Hindi lang sa sarili ko. Kasi gusto ko rin mahikayat yung mga ibang kabataan. Saka hindi lang kabataan, kahit na may edad, walang pinipili.
Oo, sir.
Then, malaking naitulong sa akin to. Dahil dati, meron ako naramdaman na osteoarthritis.
Okay.
Then, sabi ko, ayaw kong gumamit ng gamot kasi mahal.
Maintenance.
Maintenance. So, binago ko yung pagkain. Yung lifestyle. So, ito na ngayon, bali, may mga event ako masali.
So, ano po yung magiging advice sa mga gustong sumali sa bodybuilding?
Ang gusto i-advise sa mga gustong sumali, focus lang kayo sa workout nyo, then huwag yung abusuhin yung sarili nyo. Hindi kayang mag-workout kasi pagod, magpahinga mo. Kinabukasan, hindi kayo mag-workout.
Actually, this is my first time. I want to try to experience this international type of competition. So, di ba, biglang first time ko dito agad. So, it's actually a big deal for me. I challenged myself and nandito na ako, magpe-perform na ako. So, yun ang gusto ko, kaya sumali ako. Gusto ko mapatunayan sa sarili ko na kaya ko ang ganitong type of sport. So kayo, kung gusto nyong mag-join, do it now. It takes time, diba? It takes time and patience para mahubog nyo ang katawan nyo. And guys, huwag nyo isipin next month, next year na, do it now kung gusto nyo talaga. So guys, tamang discipline, hard work, lahat yan kaya. And malay nyo, maging champion kayo in the future.
Alright.
Gusto rin na ma-experience ulit na makalaro. Yun.
Dati ba sir, lumalaban na kayo sa ibang?
Oo, dati naman lumalaro. Pero ito kasi first time ulit ng McFit, ngayon ang nagpalaro, kaya gusto namin i-try.
Okay. Sa kayo dati lumalaban sir?
IFBB, WFF.
Okay. Yung talaga mga association talaga.
Association.
Okay. Sir, sa mga gustong sumali sa bodybuilding, anong pwede nyo i-advise sa kanila sir?
Tuloy nyo lang yung goal nyo. Kung ano yung gusto yung goal about sa bodybuilding, diretso lang. Yun.
Okay.
I joined MC Fit because MC Fit is a worldwide aim to improve the bodybuilding here in the Philippines. Since it's the first time, if you see, this is similar to the nationals that we had here in the Philippines. But now, we're here. Very first show here in the Philippines, MC Fit. We have about 115 participants. And Mel is a good person that gives out his heart to educate the Filipino people about bodybuilding.
So any advice you can give to
the younger generations? Continue grinding, and you have to work hard to improve your health and to show to your colleagues that there's a way out of doing drugs or gadgets, Go to the gym, hit the gym, and build muscles.
Para yung mapatunayan ko yung kahit mahirap ka, kasi I'm promodizer po ako, then yung sahod ko is 537 lang, then may anak ako.
Wow, okay.
So, napagkakasya ko siya sa prep at sa lahat. Hindi lang yung kulang yung pera mo. Gumawa ka ng paraan kung gusto mo, yung passion mo. Kasi gusto kong ituloy yung passion ko at the same time yung trabaho ko, kasi syempre may anak ako. Yun, pinagsabay ko siya, workout and work.
Very inspiring. Sa mga with similar situations, ma'am, ano po ma-advise nyo sa kanila?
Una, wag susuko ako kasi bago tong competition na to, na-hold up ako, nagkasakit ako ng 2 times kasi yung prep hindi yung biro. Sobrang hirap, hindi siya healthy, kung sa totoo. Hindi siya healthy. Pero hindi ako sumuko. 4 weeks out, tinodo ko, kaya nakuha ko yung ganitong condition.
Wow.
Gusto ko lang po ipakita yung pinaghirapan ko sa pagbubuhat ko.
Okay.
Bali po itong paa ko po sir, nung bata pa po ako, nabangga po.
Okay.
Tapos hanggang ngayon may sugat po kasi dating buong sugat to.
Oo.
Kaya hanggang ngayon may sugat pa dito banda. Kasi nagagalaw araw-araw pag nagtatrabaho po ako. Yun po.
Pero nag-gym ka pa rin, no?
Oo, nag-gym po.
Bakit kayo nag-gym pa rin? Ano bang sa tingin yung magigain nyo sa pag-gym nyo kahit meron kayong ganyang sitwasyon?
Naisipan ko po sir na gaganda po yung katawan, saka maganda pala yung lifestyle, maganda yung health kasi yung sabi ng Panginoon, pag inaalagaan yung katawan, aalagaan ko din, sabi niya.
Anong mga advice niyo sir sa mga gustong sumali rin sa bodybuilding at meron din silang mga sariling challenge katulad niya sir? Anong mga advice niyo sa kanila?
Ang masasabi ko lang po sir, kung kaya naman, gagawin po. Kasi hanggat kaya mo pa, gagawin mo. Kung di talaga kaya, yun yung o kung talaga hindi kaya, gagawan mo ng kahit konting paraan man lang po para magawa yung bagay yun.
I'd just like to introduce the man behind this historical event, Coach Mel Cantos. And hello, sir. First things first, congratulations for this very wonderful event, very successful event. But we just need to know, sir, what is the driving force that led you to build MC Fit, sir?
It's the people that drove me. Actually, nung nagko-COVID, nag-join ako ng bodybuilding group. They're the one who pushed me na magtayo ng group.
Oh, okay. During the pandemic?
During the pandemic.
Alright.
Wala akong kilala sa Philippines. Wala akong talagang, kung may Diyos talaga, pero
yeah.
This happens for a reason.
Yeah.
Like I said, everything happens for a reason. So there's a purpose na nandito ako to help the bodybuilders change bodybuilding in the Philippines. So when I saw the bodybuilders Facebook group, wow, ang ganda ng mga bodybuilding, physique nila. But
lack of support,
lack of sponsors. Maraming kulang, diba? In order na mag-sponsor sa'yo, kailangan magandang event.
Yeah, it starts with one event.
It starts with the event. So, kaya ako ginawa to para sa mga bodybuilders, hindi para sa akin.
What's next for MC Fit, sir?
MC Fit, we will go all the way. Bala ko kasi i-link sa NPC.
So, okay.
Kung makausap ko yung NPC, ma-approve tayo. If we don't, this is the beginning, guys. MC Fit Classic, we're the only one in the world na nagtatak ng organization.
Yeah.
Diba? MC Fit Classic, tapos magiging worldwide. Tayo nag-umpisa sa Philippines, magiging internationals. So it's not impossible.
Yeah.
Diba? Pag nakita nila magaganda yung mga physique ng magsupuntahan din yan.
That's true.
Kasi it's all, lahat to, inaano namin, pinopromote namin all over the world.
So very exciting.
Marami na rin nagtatanong sa akin ng mga athletes na mga puti sa Canada. Pwede ba ako mag-compete sa MC Fit next year?
Oo.
It's open anywhere,
Wow, it's everybody's ball game.
Here we go.
Yeah.
So, we will have a level up kung tawagin.
It's in the international landscape na,
So, athletes will have a national event. So, marami kaming gagawin. You've seen the event, you see what it's like. It's up to you guys now. I can't, hindi ko kayo sasakal sa may freedom kayo kung saan may gusto mag-compete. So, we are open. our hands are open to any athletes. Nasa athletes sa'yo.
Yeah.
Hindi sa akin. Kaya mag-decide, hindi ako. At least, we've proven something. Yun.
Right, so will be that's very exciting news for next year, and we'll be looking for more updates in
There's
MCFit.
more to come next year. It will.
You heard that first here.
More to come next year. Ilalatag namin bago mag-December yung lineup na gagawin namin. So, I don't want to say too much right now kasi ayoko naman. Kaya nga yung sinabi ko. Ayusin ko naman ng maigi. Talk to my family kasi I'm gonna be here for a while. Diba?
I see.
It's not like easy. Hindi madaling mag-organize ng event. Diba? So, hindi basta-basta. So, yeah.
Speaking of your family, do you want to greet them?
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I know you guys are, sacrificing all this since the beginning. I've been I have to speak in English so they can understand.
Yeah, sure.
So excuse me, So I've been there. My family's been sacrificing over this as well because in the group you always answer questions. I'm answering the questions 24/7 to the Filipino that need. I never left one question behind. I'm always answering everything. I got 100 messages a day. So I'm still answering that question. So my wife was telling me, all you do is messenger. You don't have time for your family. So I feel bad. Now it's time to get back to them when they come back. So sorry guys, I will be there soon. Love you guys. Thank you for all your support. Love you. I just want to say thank you to everyone that supported ng MCFit. Maraming salamat po sa mga support nyo. Thank you to all the athletes that believed in me kahit na babad sila sa organization. Thank you sa mga nanood ng audience. Thank you sa inyo na nag-cover. Kita nyo naman. So maraming salamat sa sponsors namin, lalo na sa mga sponsors, sa moderators, sa event organizer. Maraming salamat. Lalo na kay Lou and Ken. Kung wala sila, walang MCFit. That's all. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Peace. One love.
From Pasig, this is MCFit and Life Fit 40 signing out.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, sir. So that's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook page, Life Fit 40. Hit the bell button and be notified for all future content. Visit also our sponsor pages para sa catering and events, Race Gear Clothing, and Pet Pampanga. For your supplements, get them at Waking. They have a QR code and a link which you can use to shop online. Get a chance to win freebies and discounts from all of Life Fit 40's sponsors. So we'll be seeing you on the next episode. Stay safe always mga ka-Life Fit.